What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am so excited for today's video. As you guys have seen the title of the video, I am transforming the rear end of my V35 Skyline, which is same as the Infiniti G35. With this body panel or part, this just looks so damn good. You guys probably seen the thumbnail as well. The wing is finally painted, and I'm not gonna keep rambling on. I'm so excited. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the wing, the painted wing, what it looks like with the car at the moment. Look at that, steering wheel looking good. Check this out. Car's a bit dirty at the moment, but like, it is finally all in one color, man. Look at that. Damn, it looks so good. So yeah, little cinematic. That's what the wing looks like. Like, way better when it's all in one color. It just looks complete, you know what I mean? If you guys wondering what this wing is, this is a genuine Nismo wing. So I don't know how many these were made. I've heard people told me that. I'm not 100% sure exactly how many these were made, but I've heard like there are only something like less than 100 of the genuine ones that were made, and you still can get the replica ones, right? So there are two different type of genuine Nismo wing. One with the little high brake light right here, which is even more rare, and the other one is, you know, the one I have. And I'm pretty sure that you still can get the replica ones, which basically look the same. I'm not 100% sure how good quality it is, because, you know, I've never had one, but 50 meters away I'm sure they look the same. And the mounting on these are just on the side right there. So, and yeah, they're not too heavy either. If you're interested in this, go check out my Nismo wing video. But you guys probably have guessed it. What I'm gonna put on this car today that really tie in the entire rear end is are these just like mud flap add-ons. So I got these painted as well, and a lot of Z and G aren't run these, and they were like a factory arrow option, and they sort of just goes on in there like that. And you do have to drill holes and stuff like that, but yeah, nothing crazy. And I think this is gonna transform the look of the car. I went ahead and did that side, you know, sort of to figure out what's the best way to put it on there. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't know, lost my word for it, but it just looks so sick. And basically I still do need to take this off and put double-sided tape on there, just to tie in this tiny bit of gap, this tiny bit. Alright, so basically I've done this side fully finished it. So I'll quickly explain. So under your bumper, you have that bolt, which is a existing bolt, goes into this piece, and you can undo that, and that bolt will go through here, right here, this little hole, and then that will line up perfect. And the second hole, you need to, there are total 3 holes you need to drill. One is right here, which will go into your bumper somewhere here. And also there are 2 holes right here, which means you need to drill 2 holes on the inner edge of your bumper. So basically it will be something like this. It's a bit dark, but you line up these and you drill those holes, and you reuse the existing one down there, and you drill a new hole here. And what I've done is I've sort of get rid of the double-sided tape on the other side, and I put new ones on there. And basically I'll heat it up and basically align everything perfect first, and then peel off the tape, heat it up and push on it, and just keep a constant pressure on there, so you know that is actually sticking. Because on this side it is, I don't know if you can tell, I'm being OCD, but there's like a tiny little gap right there. So I probably need to heat up a bit longer and then put more tape on there. And once it's done, it's, yeah, pretty easy to install, but you know, I want to make a perfect job out of it. And just like that, wheel is back on there, everything is back on there. I've done the side as well. Man, I was just standing here and looking at this for like 10 minutes straight. Oh mate, this looks so good. Any G35 or V35 need this mod, eh? Just makes the whole rear end look so much lower, to be honest. Mate, look at that. It just makes the whole rear end look fat. Obviously, the whole theme of the car is Nismo, and this is not a Nismo rear aero kit. This is just a sort of like an OEM add-on, little mud guard sort of thing. The Nismo one, I haven't found any so far, but it's like a square sort of looking thing, similar to the wing, like the top of the wing design. Some people don't like it, some people like it, most people actually don't like it because it doesn't actually flow with the bumper that well. But when you have the full Nismo kit, it looks pretty good. And also the Nismo kit have like a little rear add-on lip that's sort of glued onto the existing one, which that one looks pretty good as well. Yeah, until I find the full Nismo kit, this is pretty good for me for now. Alright, so basically that's the install, and I'm pretty happy with how the rear end of my car looking at the moment. I think Nismo wing is definitely a big plus point, make it stand out way more than just, you know, the ironing board and the duckbill. And with that, like that little add-on bit, the bumper extension or the mud guard, it makes the rear bumper looks lower, and like it makes the whole car look lower, in another word. Just, you know, fatter in the rear, more aggressive, and I'm pretty sure they're like dirt cheap on eBay and stuff like that. Lucky for you guys in the States, not the case in New Zealand, and they're kind of hard to come by in New Zealand. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that kind of good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.